You got hiccups?
You're only as good as your supporting cast sometimes, and I think Tom Brady, Ben Roethlisberger, the best of them. I'll tell you that's the case at times.
Final minute of this first quarter. Roethlisberger will run it with Jones on the edge. And Jones has made a couple of good plays here in this first quarter with the Cincinnati defense.
You got hiccups.
Credit. He's been a lightning rod off the field for a lot of reasons. Mike Brown, the owner of the Bengals, has given him an opportunity, and he's beaten out Trey Kirkpatrick after his first-round draft choice and played quite well in the kicking game as well.
And 7 with Roethlisberger up in, throwing underneath on 3. Did not hang on. He's third down.
Unfortunate. Godfrey's got to make that play in the middle of the field. Good pass protection on the left side by Mike Adams, working against Michael Johnson. 37. Haven't seen Cincinnati with the creative blitzes yet, but this is the time and the place that Mike Zimmer runs it up.
Linebackers and safeties up on the line. And here's the comeback. Doesn't it? Roethlisberger throws. Just gets Ruben. Incomplete. On 3rd and longer. Defensive coordinators love to go through their menu and pick something up.
Absolutely, and Cincinnati, with these high-priced pass rushers, they benefit by this scheme. Mike Zimmer will blitz off the edge. He'll blitz up the middle. He'll create one-on-ones. Roethlisberger just missed that throw, but Conchery's got to make the play on second down.
Esco to kick it away. And 49-yard run by Tate. Brandon Tate, one Patriot, X kicks to another X-Pack, if you will.
He's got hiccups.
Tate's down to 41-yard line. 35 yards of net, 1 second left in quarter number 1. The Bengals on top.
It's go time. It's go time. Go ahead.
All right. New TV.
Hi, TV.
Did he just say hi to the TV? Wait, is this Hulu from the computer Hulu?
It's Hulu Plus.
This looks cool.
Which one of you yahoos put our TV on the curb? Oh, hello. What are we watching? Bathing monkeys. No, those are macaques. Get out of my seat. Looks relaxing.
TV has never been better. This is Smart TV from Samsung.
That's you. Oh, you still have it.
Never be far from a game. Download NFL Mobile and watch live NFL games exclusively from Verizon. Never be without football. That's powerful. Verizon.
We get to see Act 3 in the extraordinary start of Peyton Manning's year 2 in Denver as the Broncos host the Raiders. Guy used to hang around these Ohio parts over in Columbus. Terrell Pryor starting for the Raiders, who are 1-1. We'll see the Raiders and the Broncos next Monday night out in the Rockies. Final second of this opening quarter. Bengals take over at their own 42. We had movement by Gresham that would cost them 5.
That's 2 times now.
I'll start. Offense to Brady Core. Parker Kelly is still first.
Gresham's a better football player than that. That's his second pre-snap penalty. They're using the hard count. And I guarantee you Jay Gruden's going to say, let's forget the hard count because we're not ready for it tonight. That's 2 of them in the first quarter.
receivers with
What's the matter? Why so serious?
quick toss to Robertson. He got a nice block from Woodward. Alomalo tackles him a yard shy of the first down. He's flipped to the other side of midfield and start the second quarter from there. Bengals 7, Steelers 3 on Monday Night Football.
Hello? You watching this, dude? The Jets are rolling. What are you talking about? We don't get the Jets out here.
I do. I ditched cable, got DirecTV NFL Sunday ticket. Get every game, every Sunday, no matter where you live.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah, it is pretty nice.
Become the world's most powerful fan. Get NFL Sunday ticket at no extra charge. Call 1-800-DIRECTV.
Crispy white meat chicken with hot and spicy buffalo sauce. Did you just take my taste buds to the equator? Rick never takes me to the equator.
Now for just $4.99, try the new Buffalo Chicken Strip Small Combo Meal at Burger King.
Feeling cool and clean, the best that you've ever been. You're surrounded by freshness and you're in a position to win. Actually, never mind, you're in a snowball in a dollar store.
Game time. Drinks, check. Popcorn, got my order bill ready. TV? That's not good. Someone should get on that. Get your order ready. Beautiful, don't you think? Rated PG-13 starts October 4th.
That's all right now. We're going in the right direction.